I had to get this to work, guys.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a snowstorm
I just heard this one way ago off.
Western Mills County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Fremont County in southwestern Iowa,
This is in
Potawatomi
ES
County
for
in
real.
southwestern Iowa,
Finally.
southwestern Harrison County in southwestern
This way
Iowa,
we're going
northern
off.
Lancaster
This way
County
we
in
failed,
southeastern
but
Nebraska, northeastern Seward
it's
County in
expected.
southeastern
This is how
Nebraska,
programming to
Douglas
it.
County, Saunders County, Sarpy County,
My fan's running.
Eastern Dodge County, Odo County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Butler County, Cass County in southeastern Nebraska, until 12:45 p.m. At 11:43 a.m., a dangerous
Caleb
squall
failed.
located along a line
Caleb isn't going.
from 7 miles east of Missouri Valley to 3 miles north of Roca, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include intense bursts of heavy snow, gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 50 miles per hour could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 10 and 77. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 27. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 379 and 454. Locations impacted include Omaha, Lincoln, Council Bluffs, Bellevue, Fremont, Papillion, Blair, Nebraska.
My county's under weather alert.
Wahoo, Gretna, Bennington, Boys Town, Elkhorn, Millard, Offutt Air Force Base, La Vista, Plattsmouth, and Glenwood. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until this high wind warning information.